if you still have big dreams, but every day you feel tired, stuck, and delayed. This is for you. You keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." But deep down, you already know tomorrow never comes. You ever feel like you have big dreams, but zero energy to chase them? You say, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never arrives. You want to build something great. Write a book, get in shape, learn a skill. But instead, you scroll, you escape, you delay. Let me tell you something important. This isn't laziness. It's resistance. Your brain isn't broken. It's just trying to protect you from discomfort. Because anything that feels hard, your mind labels as a void. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need more motivation. You need smaller actions. Step 1, shrink everything. Big goals don't fail because they're impossible. They fail because they feel overwhelming. Don't write a book. Write one sentence. Don't get fit. Put on your shoes. Don't learn a skill. Practice one tiny move. Small actions bypass fear, and fear is what's stopping you. Step 2, build automatic systems. Stop relying on motivation. It disappears. Instead, build structure. Lay your clothes out before bed. Put your phone away from your bed. Write a 3-line plan in the morning. Make action easier than avoidance. Because what's easy wins. Step 3, the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, I only have to do this for 2 minutes. Not an hour, not perfection, just 120 seconds. Start reading one page. Start cleaning one corner. Start the first step. Because once you start, stopping becomes harder than continuing. And here's something real. Everyone you admire started small. Everyone you envy struggled. Everyone you think is disciplined once felt exactly like you. The difference? They didn't wait. Think of your dreams like fire. Right now, it's just a spark. Every small action is fuel. Add fuel daily, and one day it becomes unstoppable. So let me ask you, what will you do today to break the cycle? Not tomorrow, today. Because you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. And once you begin, everything changes. If this made you think differently, don't scroll away. Tell me what hit you the most in the comments. And if you're serious about changing your future, subscribe. This is just the beginning.